Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Nissan Versa 1.6. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 145,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in good overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.